All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's live chatting. Let's see what should be expecting this week from the market. Let's just do little analysis for a few minutes, just for a few minutes. So you're welcome once again to today's live chatting. You're welcome. Um, all right, let's get down to business. Now, last week we did we draw our levels, our weekly, monthly, and daily levels on BTC. And then we have it here. Okay, we have it here. Let me move all these tools, indicators that we don't really need for now. Okay, so we want to see what should be expecting this month. So I've dropped a signal in a VIP group already. Okay, so let's start live chatting. Sorry. Okay, so we can see we can move from here upward. All right. I mark I have 19,150 as my level of entry. I'm in the trade now, Bitcoin long and also Ethereum long. So I'm logging both BTC. I long Ethereum at 1,310. I getting these free tips now because you're on live chat. Okay, this VIP tips. And I long the BTC at 1,000. I think 19,150. Sorry. So I've long Bitcoin at 19,150. And then we are riding this up to at least I'm looking at 19,900. Okay, so it's up to you. I'm giving you the details you need to know. So it's left for you to make use of the information, and it's not a financial advice as usual. Right? It's not a financial advice, so it's up to you to make use of it. All right. So I'm already in profit already. So I hope to get more. So I believe today should be bullish for BTC, and the market should be bullish today. All right. So let's continue with what we are here for. Now, hold on, I'm coming. I'm checking my trades. Okay. Now, my levels are being expected. Here is 19,100, but I put my entry at 19,150 because of the demand zone and the other block here. Okay, this is a demand zone here. For those of us who have not learned how to detect that, you can just come to my DM. We talk on how you can learn how to know where there is a valid demand zone. Not all demand zones are valid. Not all demand zones are active and are valid. Okay, not all demand zones. That's the way you know. Okay, and then this morning, we just want to see how we can mark our levels we want to trade this week. Okay, levels we want to trade this week, and we put it in mind. So let's start now. First thing I did today was to show you to draw a trend line from here to here, and that trend line shows that here is our entry point. That's why we entered long here. We're hoping that this long will take us to this monthly level. At least you can see the monthly level here. So the plan is the long here to take us to this monthly level. The reaction we get from this monthly level would determine if we are going to close the trade here or we are going to leave the trade till 20,300 or 20,500. Okay, or even 21,000 to the weekly level. This is very possible, very likely. So the first thing we did here was to draw a trend line. Assuming we started this live chatting early as planned. Most of us will have entered early, though, but I have some things I have to sort out before now. Okay, so that's that. Um, Now you can long here, but you can just set your entry. This is a good place to long. Okay, I'm longed already as I've said, and I'm expecting 19,900 to hit as my take profit. One, my take profit one will not be that. My take profit one will be 19,500. My take profit two will be 19,900. Okay, then I'll keep taking profit up and set my entry, my stop loss to entry. All right, so that's one. Two, let's draw our fib level and see what we're looking at. Let's see where it takes us to. Exactly. Okay. So our fib is telling us 19,050. Okay, it came close to it, 19,050 to 19,000, 18,950. That is the entry point for a long. Okay, and this is valid because of the fact that the market is printing higher high. Okay, it's going up. It's showing. See, the close here is above the close here. So we should be expecting long today and this week too. Let's look at what the week is saying. This week too, let's look at the weekly chart. Um, we should be getting long today. All right. I'm concerned a little bit about the last two weekly close candle. I'm a little bit concerned about how it closed. Okay, a little bit concerned about how it closed, but it's not a major concern. But what I'm seeing a long. I'm seeing that the market is bullish, at least for now. Okay, so let me draw my what I'm processing right now. So you see what I'm processing. Now this is what I'm processing. Sorry. That's what I'm processing from 150. I think I'll be best. All right, so I'm processing something like this from here to here. So this is my process. This is my thought process right now for long. Yeah, this is my thought process for long. I'm looking at a break of this. So this zone, this demand zone is valid. Okay, is valid. But I'm looking for a break of this demand zone. And this supply zone. I'm looking for a break of this supply zone today to 19,900. If that's possible, I would like to see that happen. Then I will be happy to see that happen. So um, that's my level. This is what I'm trading right now. If you don't know what I'm trading, that's what I'm trading. I'm in a long position for BTC to go long today. And then we've to our trend line. Okay, our trend line shows that this is a good entry for a long, and then it's already proving that we are doing the right thing, it's giving us a good result already. Or let's see, keep to keep our bridge to see what will happen. All right, so what else can we do? Let's see, let's see our fib level to the downside and see where it's telling. You see, exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, can you see now? Our fib level, let me zoom it so you can see. VIP is a very powerful, fib level is a very powerful tool. The 618 and the C6, they're very powerful to see. It's giving us confidence that this monthly level and 618 is a very strong level. Okay, you can see the confluence here. Okay, they are aligned. They are almost aligned at the same line level. So this is where we should be looking to either close out our position because I'm in the long now and my stop loss is already set though. You know, nothing is guaranteed. So, but with what I'm seeing here, this should react and it's already reacting. But I need more. Okay, so we need more upward. So this is what we were expecting. What else do I want to discuss about? I think I've already discussed. So if this level did not hold, okay, if this level did not hold, then I'm looking at 19,000, sorry, 18,800. You can write it down. 18,800. 18,800 should hold. If this level should not hold, will not hold, then my next level of entry will be 18,800. Just take note of that. My next level of entry. I'll just add more position, but all things being equal, the corridor that this will hold is kind of cool, kind of high. Yeah, it's kind of high. This should hold. And if this should not hold, it can do something like this. Okay. If this will not, it can do something like this. Go up to weekly level here, then come back here, then take the final move up as we're expecting. All right. So the reaction here will tell me if I will close up position and wait for the entry here. Are you getting me now? I'll wait for the entry here. All right. It's possible it might come there, take the entry here, pick and um, grab liquidity here, then before they move up. All right. So yeah, it is two scenario now. We have two scenario. It's either this, is that this, or sorry, we have two scenario now. It's either this scenario that I've drawn here already. Take note of this, and this scenario. Just go up straight and come to this level. All right. So you can have two entry. You can have one of your entry at 19,150. Then the other entry you can put it at 19,800. All right. So that's the level I'm looking forward to trade. So you can also have your level set that way. So all right. So I think it should just be just live video just for a few minutes just to show you what I'm trading right now. And then you've seen it. So all right. So thank you for coming live and with me. So like and subscribe this video. Like and subscribe this video. My chat look messy, so I don't know if you can really see what I'm even explaining to you. But just know that today, what I'm trading today is 19,150. I'm trading long. I'm favoring long today. I'm favoring long today for 19,150 and 18,800. That's my two levels I want to long. So if this fails, okay, if this fails, I'm looking to add to my longs at 18,800. Okay, I'm looking to add to my longs at 18,800. If this fails, which the probability is kind of low, but if it fails, I'm looking to add my longs at 18,800. Do we know that? And then my stop loss will be at 18,300. Okay, so that's the signal already. So I dropped the signal for Ethereum on our group chats. So you can also treat that. Let me check. Let's check Ethereum briefly before we call it an end today. Let's check Ethereum briefly. Right. So that's conditions. Binance. 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 All right. So let's check Ethereum and then conclude this section. So let's first thing, we've not really draw our level for Ethereum. So let's just check something out and see what we should be expecting. All right, as you can see, Ethereum is already at the fib level. Okay, it's already at the fib level. Then let's check so we know what's up. So you see Ethereum is already reacting from the fib level already. Okay, that's it's the fib level, then it's reacting off the fib level. So you can see Ethereum hit 1,400. Okay, from here we can see 1,400. All right. That's that. Let's check where we should be watching out to either close our position or close part of our positions. This is how I know when to. This is one of the ways I used to take profit on in this market. In this market, you have to just be watching and you observe how or what is happening at each level. Okay, anything can happen. Nobody owns the market, so you should be ready to take profit. Especially this season. This means is any profit you see you take. You don't hold for long because the market is very choppy. The market can be long in tweaking of the high, it's already going short. So you have to be very active and monitor your level. So this is the level I will be monitoring. So close. I'm looking at the 1,350 to close. If it's not showing too much kind of weakness here, then I can hold or take some profit till it's the 420. All right. So here is you can as well see that here is a strong level for sorry. You can see that that area is a strong level for supply. So it has broken break of structure. It has broken structure already, and that level is a very strong area of supply. Okay, so the BTC can come to that level, then start dropping. So you have to take note of that level. Like that level is a key. 1,050 is a key level you need to take note of. Okay, so this is the level you need to take note of. BTC can come to this level, and Ethereum can come to this level and start getting downward. But I'm expecting a move up. I'm eagerly expecting a move up to 1,350. All right. So that's it for today. We just did a simple analysis on Ethereum, just simple. We didn't really go in depth the analysis. So that is what you should be expecting. So we can briefly check the weekly candle, what the weekly candle is looking like. Let's check. The weekly candle is not looking good, but for day traders, we can favor long today. Okay, we can favor long, and then the month is kind of a bullish month per se, but that's not enough reason for us to go for a long. But what I'm seeing today, like today, today is Monday, and most of the time you will notice Monday is always a day where the market is always bullish. Not all the time though, but the market is most likely bullish every morning. And that's not the reason why I'm logging. I'm logging because of some reasons that I'm not talked about here. I have my information, so I get my information to do how to read the markets and also yeah, I get my information from the charts from other sources, usually from the chart. So if my chart is telling me long and that my source always telling me the market is bullish, then I'll be bullish. You get that? So and then one of the reason why I also um trade the market is I check ES. You can check ES. ES is always a correlation of the crypto markets. Okay, sometimes Bitcoin will be bearish, and ES also will be bullish. You should just know that that bearish period of Bitcoin is just for a time. I don't know if you understand. It's just like this is where you can come to see what is this market is. If the market is bullish and Bitcoin is going down, you can just start looking for where to take your long. Okay, and start looking for where to place your long because at the long run, Bitcoin will still come back to follow this market. I want to say more than that. If I even talk more than that, there is something I don't want to say. If I say it, I'm losing some tips that I don't release. Okay, it's for paid class. So So that's that. That's that. Thank you for joining this live chat. We can do this next week Monday, or probably anytime this week again, to see what the market is saying. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye. Like, subscribe, and follow us, please. Share the link.